morning, you all. I just got up a while ago, and it was so windy outside, and the windy season is my favorite. So I thought I should take a walk, and I don't regret it. It's so pretty, like the breeze, and it's so fresh, as you can see here. It's so windy, and like the view is also so nice. I'm having such a good time. Isn't this so soothing, like to the soul? It makes me feel so fresh. Oh my god, I really love this weather. Let me show you guys a very beautiful place. I mean, a view. It's so nice out here. Most of the people love this view because see, isn't this so pretty? Like, there is a bridge kind of thing, and downside you see the mountains and houses. I mean, it's not that clear right now. I love this tree. I've seen this tree grow for over 4 to 5 years, and so those years back, it was such a tiny one, and now it has grown to such a big tree. When will the sun rise? Will it rise there? I guess it sets there. Yeah, till then, let's appreciate this beautiful tree and the breeze. It looks so pretty in the blue sky. The sky does not look blue right now, but it's actually blue. The sky is getting brighter right now because it's morning. It's morning. Let's see the sky. Should we head back? I guess I should. I have to go to church today. Whoa. Okay, I just got dust in my eyes. Windy season is good, but it's bad for the eyes. That was a bad joke. How much I love this season. Yeah, this season. I truly love this windy season a lot. So nice. Looks like the sun is finally rising. I guess that's all for today. That's all for for now. So I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this walk with me.